Mmm, that's so good. Oh my goodness. Previously, it is our second sea day here on board. Carnival Sunshine has offered us a complimentary meal at either Gigi's or Cucina del Capitano. Oh, they're so nice. Baked fish and citrus sauce. We got our guys' burgers and hey!
For a living, a urologist.
I think it's just too windy today. That was nice. This is amazing. No, we didn't stuff ourselves for lunch, so now we'll be able to really enjoy this dinner. So, super excited for that. We gotta say ciao to this view for now, but we will be back. We will. Oh my goodness, guys, this is getting so repetitive. Ah! Ah! So here is, you know what, let me find the ticket first. Hold on. Peter, where's the ticket? Yes, here we go. This gift is compliments of Kenneth Miz. So Kenneth, thank you so much. Oh my God, for this amazing fruit cheese tray. I don't even know what to do, Peter. that is so much food.
Just
look at that.
Presentation is so
There's
nice.
blackberries and
Wow.
oh my God, there's raspberries. Thank you. And then we have cookies. This note reads, "Hi Josh and Peter, I hope that you are enjoying your spa balcony. Have a great trip and enjoy Aruba tomorrow. Mike, the upgrade fairy." Michael Blinko. Thank you, Michael. Michael's actually the one that upgraded us from, he's also a subscriber, but he upgraded us from interior to, we originally had an interior room to this spa balcony. So thank you, Michael. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the cookies. Thanks for upgrading. Thanks for thanks. Kenneth says, his note says, hope you enjoy your cruise and have plenty of sunshine. I'm a huge fan, Kenny. Well, thank you. Thank you both, and thank you everybody that sent us gifts and everybody that's gonna send us gifts. We thoroughly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hey, we're all changed up, ready for our dinner at Cucina del Capitano. We are 3 minutes early. Leaving the room. All right. So we've got 3 minutes to get all the way to the back of the ship.
back of the ship and down a few decks.
I think we can do it. Look at our pretty ship. I just love the colors in here. The decor and everything is really, really nice, and just, it's simple, you know, it's not too overpowering. Yeah. Oh, I thought the sign was gonna be, oh, there it is. Cucina del Capitano. That's where we're going. All right, here we are. Hello.
Reservation with us?
Yes.
For Italian or for Asia directly?
Cucina. All right. Yes, thank you.
Great.
All right, thank you.
How are you today?
Excellent. All right, very nice. Thank you, Carnival.
Yeah.
Wow, so that she said they gave us a private table.
Oh, really? She said that?
Yeah, it's a private, because I guess most of the tables are like sharing tables, but they gave us a private family table. Yeah, so very nice. Thank you, Carnival. Thank you for that. Here is our appetizer. I mean, here's our appetizer. Here's the appetizers, the main courses, and no desserts are not up here. So you guys definitely pause the menu. You can see what you would get. I'm definitely gonna have to take a closer look here in a minute once I turn the camera off. But wow, very nice, very nice. Do you know, Mr. Italian, what you're gonna get?
I have no idea.
I have to take a minute.
Yeah, I have no idea.
All right, give us 1 minute.
Eggplant I like. Okay.
Wow. Okay, so we're gonna do. I'm gonna do Nona's meatballs, and then what is it? Oh, the pork chop, this grande bar. I'm not gonna butcher that.
It's really easy. Actually, you read as it's written.
Read it as it's written. Grande barchiola braciola di male. Mele?
Maiale.
Maiale. Maiale.
We have 8 more days, so.
Well, thank you. So we just ordered our food here at Cucina del Capitano. I would highly recommend asking the waiter or waitress, you know, what their recommendation is, what they think is good. Because I think were you gonna get it too? Linguine? Yeah, we both were just gonna get the linguine, which is basically spaghetti. And then she came by and we asked her, we was like, you know, what's your recommendation? And she recommended some amazing stuff. I'm getting like this pork chop with like almond something and like paprika, broccoli, and what are you getting, Peter?
I'm getting some sort of shrimp pasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
So, I mean, we went from linguine to those amazing dishes, and so I would highly recommend that. But, you know, we've just had some bread here, and the bread is, they bring this, like, garlic butter with it, and it's got some Parmesan on top, and I think, I think that might be diced onions, or is that what the green is? I think it's green onion. I think it's green, a little bit of green onion in there.
More butter over there.
And what kind of butter? Is this just regular butter, or is it
That's
more
actually garlic butter, because this is a clove of garlic.
Yeah, that's a clove of garlic.
And it melts kind of into here, so.
Yum, yum. Overall, I'm really impressed. And Peter just said it. What did you just say about this whole space?
Oh, like you would never know that it would turn into this at night.
Right, like I mean literally like the whole place, like during the day this is open, like for buffet and
It's very busy during the
it's
day.
very, very busy, and so for this whole thing to just turn into this at night, it's mind-blowing. It really is. Like it looks so it feels like we're in a new, it feels like we're in a new part of the ship.
Right, it does.
Like a part of the ship that we've never been to, but we've walked through here almost every day.
Yeah.
You know? It's just really, really amazing. I like what they did with this on the Carnival Sunshine. It really is neat. Oh my goodness, this is a moment in the vlog. There's always certain moments where I wish it was 4D and you guys could smell what we're smelling here right now, because so we got what was it called?
Nona's meatball.
Nona's, is that what it was?
Yeah, Nona's meatball.
Yeah, Nona's meatball, and this thing has such a rich smell to it. It almost has like a smoked smell to it.
Yeah, like a fireplace.
Right, like the meatball was, like it was cooked in like a wood fire or something. Very, very, very delicious smelling. I cannot wait to dig into this and let you guys know how it is. Then Peter also got the calamari. How's the calamari?
It's good.
Very good.
It's really good.
And then what kind of
the
salad was this?
Delicious.
It looks like it.
It's greens. It's got almonds.
I'm gonna have to take a bite of that too.
Really good.
Yum, yum, yum. And what is the dressing?
It's an Italian vinaigrette, but it's good.
Yeah? I'm definitely gonna have to take a bite of all of this, guys. We are gonna leave your stuff. I can go ahead and tell you that. So I think it is a $15 upcharge, right? I think so. We will double check for you and just make sure that that is correct information. But for $15, I can already tell you the food on this table is worth it. I mean, and we haven't even gotten our main course yet, you know? But we'll double check on that and make sure for you really quick. This is some next level stuff here. This is really, guys. So we did find out it is $15 per person. I don't understand how. I really don't. I really, really don't. Like, this is amazing. So this meatball, literally, I have never had so much flavor. Everything is so fresh. Everything is so...
Everything's homemade.
Yes, like, I mean, you can tell. Look, there's like pieces of the tomato still in there, you know? You can tell everything is so homemade and so fresh. Everything's got like just jam-packed full of flavors. Even the salad, down to the dressing. We're swearing that the dressing is homemade. And that's something so simple, you know, like they could have bought that dressing in bulk and had it shipped in and called it a day, and it's still been a great meal, you know? Wow. goodness. Look at Peter's over there. Wow. Oh my god. And what is this? Eggplant?
Parmesan.
Eggplant Parmesan. Oh my. And then look at this broccoli, guys. This is like with paprika and stuff. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. I can't. This is amazing. I cannot believe that we have not come up here before.
Right.
Like on other ships, because they've had this restaurant. I've just kind of written it off as it's just an upcharge restaurant. It's just, you know, whatever. Guys, for $15 would have covered like this bread. Like,
Yeah.
like. I am amazed right now that what is on this table is a $15 upcharge normally. Now, Carnival was nice enough today and they, you know, let us come sample it for you guys for free. But normally it's $15 a person. I say go for it. Absolutely, 100% go for it. Come on up here. You're gonna have a great meal. If you don't know what the menu is, you just ask. They're gonna be more than willing to, you know, help you decide. And Peter, how is your food?
It's really good. I've never had this like this type of pasta before. But I would definitely get it again.
And see, Peter is actually Italian. His family is Italian. So if an Italian is telling you that it's good, it's
Very
good.
tasty.
It's good stuff. Like, that's why, you know, when they asked us, they gave us the option of either Gigi's or Cucina. And I was like, well, you're Italian, so you're gonna know whether it's really good or not. So we're going to Cucina. And I am so glad that we did. It really has been such an amazing meal so far. I'm gonna dig in, eat, and then I'll come back and let you know how it is, okay? I loved that.
All these little touches are just...
Oh my gosh. So we're just finishing up here, our main course here in Cucina del Capitano. It has absolutely been fantastic. Peter wasn't even able to finish. I wasn't able to finish all mine either.
I'm getting close to it, but I can't.
Yeah, it's just, it's so much food. I'll say it again. I cannot believe this is $15. You know,
huge.
Well, yeah, the plates are. Look, this is my hand for comparison. Like, my hand was like the pork chop was bigger than my hand. I feel like. And no, I do not have small hands. It's just a lot of food. You really will get full. You'll have a great time. The experience is great. The atmosphere, all around. I give it a 10 out of 10. Really do. I mean, we haven't even had dessert yet, so but I'm almost positive. I mean, how can that be bad, right?
Yeah.
All this food has been amazing. How can that be bad? So, highly recommend on one of your days aboard your cruise. If they do have Cucina del Capitano on your ship, definitely go and take part in that restaurant. You will not regret it. So I didn't actually have a chance to film the dessert menu for you guys. We were looking over it, and one of our waitress came out and she was like, I'll take those. And she was like, I'm going to surprise you. So we're getting, I don't know what we're getting for dessert, but I think there was like, what, 3 or 4 main things in there. One of them was like an apple pie. One of them, what was it called? The
biscotti.
Biscotti cookie. What was at the top?
It was like a lemon sorbet type of...
And then there was some cake.
I think it was like the cake with lemon sorbet in the
Oh,
inside.
okay.
Yeah, like it was like a lemon...
And then there was one other thing. I don't remember what the last thing was, but then there was just like some coffee and...
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I don't know what we'll get, but I'll definitely show you when it gets here.
Thanksgiving dinner.
Guys, they brought us literally one of everything. Oh my god, Carnival, you are amazing. Your team is amazing. This has been such a good experience. So this was some kind of...
Biscotti.
Yeah, and then this was the...
Limoncello with a lemon cake.
Lemon
a
sauce.
lot of lemon
some
stuff.
kind of lemon something, and then this was like the apple pie with caramel ice cream.
Yeah.
Caramel ice cream. Alright, let's dig in here, Peter. Let's dig in. Alright, we ready?
Ready.
Let's see. I'm gonna try the apple first. What are you gonna try first?
Yeah, I think
Are you gonna try the apple first?
that's what I was gonna actually do, because I love apple pie.
Yeah. And we just broke this thing right on apart. Oh my goodness.
You guys like nice and hot in the middle.
Mmm. Wow.
Delicious.
I can handle it. We're on this one now.
It's like a lemony.
Oh my god, that's good.
So good. So good.
That's like lemon sorbet. Wow. Where's this one? Oh my goodness.
Good. What's in the middle of this?
Coffee cream.
Oh.
That's so good. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is unbelievable. What a fantastic experience. If you get the chance to come to Cucina, please, for me, please come. You will definitely not be disappointed. All three of these, absolutely amazing. I am struggling with words to describe how amazing they are. Like, this is not like we're at the dining room tasting, you know, a really good chocolate mountain cake. This is next level stuff. Yeah. It really, truly is. If you get the chance, please come up here. Please sample some of these flavors. You're gonna have a great, great time. We're gonna wrap up here, and then we're gonna go out and see maybe if we can catch Jumanji for a little bit. Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, the brand new one with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. It's actually playing out on the big screen, so maybe we'll catch a little bit of that. Before there is a mini lip sync battle in the atrium, we might go check that out too. So the night's just getting started. Hang tight. Such an amazing experience in there. And the staff too. Like we tipped them. I mean, the staff was just absolutely amazing. They were so helpful. So just every bit of amazing. I am so impressed with that meal. Thank you, Carnival. Thank you for that opportunity.
Swallows up kids like you.
Professor Oberon.
Movie's just finishing up, but we're heading down to the show. It's showtime. Latin nights tonight. Next time. It's perfect timing. They literally just opened them.
I'll give it to Tim Harley because they were all sisters. Yeah. Oh, watch me.
Yeah! Punch lighter. Very cool.
Very
Huh. That's it. We had our fun.